Chevy Cruz 2017. I'm gonna check the condition of the air filter and see do I need to clean it or replace it. And in order to do that, I need to take this part out, intake part, by squeezing this tab here and pulling it gently all the way out. Put it aside, and next thing is to take this sensor connector off, pulling this red tab out, pressing it and taking it apart. Now we will need to take all these screws out of the housing to access the filter. Once all screws are out, we can see the filter. To take filter out, here are two tabs that we need to squeeze. Once we squeeze it, pull it in front a little bit and it will separate from the back and we can have it. It is not so dirty, so I'm just gonna use the air, blow it out. Clean inside of the housing before air filter. I'm gonna blow it out from the inside out, so any debris that's in the filter will go out, and then I'll vacuum from the other side. Put it back. We need to first put the back of the filter on the ring and then adjust this part here, pushing it in and just sliding it in the back so it can catch here. And it's very important to do it right, because if there is no good connection, engine service light can come on, and in this case, in my case, I am sure that I got it good. So like I said, very important to do this. Then we need to line it up with all holes all the way around. Then we need to put the intake piece back, this part first, to line it up as much as possible with the front part, and then wiggle it in to fit in to connect it here. That's it. And the last thing is to connect this sensor. Push it down, and that is all what it takes to check or replace air filter on Chevy Cruz 2017. Thank you for watching.